Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into best Venmo profile settings for safety. So let's quickly dive into it. If you want your Venmo account locked down the right way, start with your privacy settings. Switch all your transactions to private so nobody can see who you pay or what you are paying for. This is the number one step most people forget. Then after that, turn on friends list privacy so strangers can't browse your contact, and under security, enable PIN or Face ID so your app can't be opened if someone get hold of your phone. Then next thing is to tighten your payment control. Turn on required confirmation for payment to prevent accidental send, and make sure your notifications are enabled so you instantly know when money moves in and out. For extra protection, turn off connected apps you don't use and review your linked devices to remove any that looks unfamiliar. Overall, these settings give you maximum privacy and prevent unauthorized access. The safety way to use Venmo in 2025 is to do all this and be safe. If you found this helpful, hit the like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a full Venmo safety checklist next. And that's it.